Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and today we're turning ourselves into a fortune teller. I'm trying not to move my head a lot because I'm very noisy today. Yeah, this was a very simple look to achieve. Anybody could recreate this. You really just need some dark shadows and lipstick and an eyeliner. So, I'm gonna do it now because I'm not doing a voiceover for this video because it's so freaking simple. I already had on my eyebrows and my foundation before I started the video just to cut time down so it's not 45 minutes long. I hope you guys are enjoying 31 Days of Halloween. If you're new here or just stopping by and don't know what that is, I'm just uploading a different Halloween look all 31 days of October. We're almost through the entire month and it is insane to me. And I'm kind of sad, but I'm so ready to not upload every day. I don't know how some people do this, but I'm gonna stop talking. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video, guys. Alright guys, that's it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. This is probably one of the easiest looks ever. You really just need some super dark smoky eyeshadows, an eyeliner, a dark lipstick, and some kind of weird headdress. I got mine from Walmart. I definitely have it on backwards because apparently I have a super small head and I couldn't get it on the other way. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of October. And I'm gonna hop off of here. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.